Hey guys, I'm Aaron Lavoie, the Midwestern Hoof Trimmer. Thanks for joining me. This video is gonna be some bonus lost footage. Basically, when I film for a video, I don't know what the video is gonna be about. I just start filming in the day. And a lot of times I wind up with some extra trim, some extra footage that I don't have a spot for in that video, but it was something that I wanted to hold on to. So I got a few of them built up for you. We've got a couple smooth, easy trims. We got a really close call where I could have lost a finger. I'm gonna voice over all of those videos. Then we've got one with some hemorrhaging and one with a crack that could be severe, maybe not. You have to wait and see. Either way, you didn't click on this to listen to me talk. You clicked on this to watch some hoof trimming. So let's go. So this here is just our basic normal maintenance trim. This is what we do all day, 99% of the time. Maintaining cows, keeping good feet good. That's our goal. Just like most of the cows we trimmed, this cow was a pleasure to trim. She held still in the machine. She didn't move around. But it doesn't always go that way, as you're about to find out. What you're about to see here is called grinder bite. It's dangerous for myself and the cow. I'll explain how it happens in a second. Alright, so I'm going to break that grinder bite down for you a little bit. See, when we're running this wheel, it's got, our wheels at least, have 3 carbide blades in them. And these work similar to like a cheese shredder, but on harder surfaces. And what happens is we use between 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock on the wheel. Anywhere else on that wheel, it's not going to slice properly, and it's going to bite and grab and jump out of our hands. That's where it gets dangerous, mostly for the hoof trimmer. In rare circumstances, the cow can get a little owie, not that bad. We can always block them up, but this is where trimmers that have lost a finger usually lose their finger and a little grinder bite. Now we keep our grinder in the correct angle for this to not happen, but what happens is sometimes the cow moves her hoof a little bit. So she raises her toe like you just saw, and then my grinder bites, grabs, and jumps. Now I do have this guard to help protect me, but it's still never a good thing when you have a wheel that's sharp enough to trim cows all day long. It's sharp enough to go through a finger pretty easily. But nevertheless, I got lucky once again. Cow made it out, no problem at all. I'll take you back to her trim so you can see how I finished her up. So here's the big mama with the little crack in her white line. These go one of two ways. Not a problem at all. Or bad. Let's see how this one turns out. And this is where the benefit of maintenance trimming really shows. This cow was not in for a problem. She was in for a maintenance trim. We found a would-be problem, got it taken care of before it turned into an abscess. Now, you're never going to have zero issues, just like people will never have zero issues. But with proper care and proper prevention, being seen on a routine schedule, we can keep it down to a very minimal number. This hemorrhaging that she had here was caused from the height that she had out here, pushing her over. Now we've got that dish down, and we've brought, this is the main weight-bearing claw on the front feet, the front outer claw or lateral claw. So we brought her angle back over this way, taking the pressure off of here. So this hoof horn is going to grow back fine and very quickly, and we've taken all that extra pressure, so she's going to be a lot more comfortable. There you go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this lost footage. Until next time, catch you on the flip-flop. Bye.